Okay, okay. Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to learn about text editing features. Okay. Now, remember on our last story about the music. Okay, remember last time we were talking about editing features in HTML. Now, I remember I told you we are going to look about what we call changing color in text color, like the one we see here. Remember, if you do your work, you find that your web page, some of the web pages that is being done, you find that it has different colors, like title has got different colors, maybe like red, green, or blue. Now if we see our output from the previous program that we did, that we wrote, we see that it is kind of boring, only one color, no background color. Also, I'm going to show you how to make a background color. Now we are going to start right away with color. Okay, now inserting a color. Now on heading, we are going to type style. Remember, I told you guys these are editing features. This is alignment. We have also editing features which are equivalent to some, if you have ever used Microsoft Word. Yeah, Microsoft Word also we have what we call alignment, indentation, we have bolding, italic, underline. So that is what we call the text editing features. Now let's start. Okay, now if you want to change the color of your heading, this is my heading. Now you type style. Now after that you put an equal sign and then open your speech marks, then type, say, color, then put a full colon and then type any color that you wish. Mine, my favorite color is blue and green, so write blue and then you close your speech marks. Now if we save this, if we run after saving our work, and if we run or launch in our Firefox, you will find that our color changes. You see, wow, awesome. Now you find that our color, the heading of our color changes to blue. Now if we also we are going to apply this to our first heading, which is heading 1. We'll also type style, then equal sign, open speech marks, type color, and then full color, type green. Green is my favorite. You can choose your own favorite color. Now save, and if you run or refresh, you will see there is also changes. Now I will also teach you on how to change color. Okay, I will also teach you another editing feature, how to change font type, how to indicate a font type. By default, font type that is being displayed on your Mozilla Firefox is New Times Roman, if I'm not wrong. This is a New Times Roman. Now changing your font type or your font family. Now okay, on your header also, remember, on your header, anything that you do in between this opening tag, remember I said this is opening tag, what you do here is what brings effects to your text. Now remember, H1 is what bring effect to be displayed on your browser. This is what we have here. Now let's change our font type now. Okay, now you are going to apply again style, but now since we have written style here, we can just type open speech marks again and say font family, a font, sorry, font, then hyphen family, font family, then full colon, then type Fedana or Fadana. It depends on how your English teacher taught you how to pronounce these things. Okay, that is it. Now let's say that is our font type called Fedana. Now if we save this and compile, you will find that our text changes. Okay, sorry about that. Maybe let me type style to be just specific. Okay, style, style, spelling style, really? I inversed the letters. Okay, style equal to, yeah. Now if we save that and refresh, you will find that our font changes. Okay, let me use constant here because I know the effect of that. Constantia. Okay, save. Now this is the font type that I was telling you guys. You see, there is much small difference that you cannot notice, but if I write numbers now, because I understand about Constantia, if you write 4, it's like 4 is huge, is it will be put downwards. Okay, and it will be somehow something like being dropped downwards. 9, also 9, 4, 9 and 6. If you want to see the difference now on your font type, you just use numbers. Some font types cannot have much difference, but only on numbers is when you realize that it has the difference. Now okay, another thing is I'm gonna teach you guys is the font size. Okay, now typing, also another one, there is what we call the font size. Remember, all this is being done just after. Okay, now let's do our font size now on the paragraph side. Now we are going to do like style. Okay, sorry, style. So what am I going to do? Style, then equal to open speech marks, and then type font size. Just type font size. Okay, okay, if you type font size, now put a full colon, then put using font size, you can just use what we call, there are types of using assigning the size. They are what we call using the plus sign, maybe +3 or 3 plus, and then there is also what we use percentage. Now using percentage is the best, it is the easiest to use. Now okay, let me use 150%, sorry, 150%, then I close my speech marks. Now if I save this and run, what you will see, my font size increases by 50%. This now is what we called increasing or putting the fonts that you want the size. If I put 100%, it will just remain the way it is. There will be no change. It will remain as it was in the previous, you see. Now if I put 120, now what you will see, what it will be displayed, you see it, there is a small slight changes. Okay, now I remember I said I'm gonna teach you again about drawing a line. Okay, most of the time you find that title, you cannot underline title, but if you want to separate your title, maybe this is your first title from the second title, we use something like there is a tag. There is a tag, what we call independent tag. Okay, as I was previewing about, there was some called empty elements. Empty elements are elements that are being used without being closed, like our break which we use to break line. Now if we want to separate, okay, let's go back to our previous what I was saying. If we want to separate a line from our first heading from the second heading, we use something called the HR. HR is a tag used. Okay, you just open right HR, then just like that. Okay, if you save and run this, what you will see, there is a line that is being drawn between your first and the second heading. Now the heading one and the second heading. Now remember, in our web page we have, from normal website, we have what we call H1 here. We have home page, about us, contact, our products, download, and there we have, at the end we have frequently asked question, there FQS. Now let's another thing, to make your work presentable, you can just add to HR just before and after. Say put there another HR, then save, then run your, if you run, you see now, you see your work, at least your work is in a presentable way. Now another thing, I don't think I have much to say about that. Is all about what I have prepared for you this. Okay, see you next guys in our next tutorial.